Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Has anyone ever compared every major Ford GT40 diecast brand in one video? Today we compare 12 different manufacturers and 13 different models. We're about to find out which manufacturer created the ultimate GT40. From budget brands like Matchbox and Majorette to premium masterpieces from Spark and Finclassically, in what may be the most complete Ford GT40 comparison ever made. This project took months to assemble, so I truly hope you will enjoy it as much as I did while collecting and comparing these beautiful models. Here is the Kyosho Ford GT40. Kyosho strikes an excellent balance between detail and elegance. The model captures the classic lines of the GT40 beautifully and remains one of the most respected older releases in this comparison. The Matchbox Ford GT40. Matchbox delivers a fun and affordable representation of the GT40. It succeeds as both a toy and an entry-level collectible. However, limitations in detail and accuracy prevent it from competing with the stronger offerings here. Notice that it is the only model that comes in matte paint finish. Johnny Lightning 2005 Ford GT. Johnny Lightning presents a respectable modern Ford GT, with solid proportions and decent presence. However, compared to newer competitors, the model begins to show its age in terms of refinement and detailing. Next is the Zoom Ford GT40 Mk1. Zoom offers a surprisingly refined interpretation of the GT40. The model captures the spirit of the original beautifully, with excellent proportions and a very appealing stance. It may not have the sheer level of detail of Finclassically, but it remains one of the strongest contenders in this comparison. Finclassically Ford GT40 Mk1 P/1075. Finclassically enters this comparison as one of the strongest contenders. Outstanding details, exceptional proportions, and museum-quality presentation make it feel like a much larger scale model. Its only drawback is that the wheels do not roll, but for display collectors, this is a truly premium interpretation of the GT40. Rhino Model RM GT40. Rhino Model combines an aggressive stance with impressive detailing. The model feels premium and highly collectible. Although some design choices may divide opinions among collectors, Rhino Model comfortably stands among the elite GT40 offerings. M2 1966 Ford GT40 MK2. M2 focuses more on character than absolute accuracy. While the model has some appealing features, inconsistencies in proportions and execution make it difficult to compete against the stronger offerings in this comparison. Auto World 1965 Ford GT40. Auto World offers excellent realism and respectable detailing. The model has strong collector appeal, although certain proportions and finishing touches prevent it from reaching the very top tier. Hot Wheels Mainline Ford GT40. The Hot Wheels mainline focuses on affordability and play value, rather than realism. It remains an iconic and accessible model, but when placed alongside 12 competitors, its compromises become very apparent. Hot Wheels Premium Ford GT40. Despite carrying the premium name, this GT40 feels somewhat disappointing. While the rubber tires and metal construction add value, the model falls short in overall execution compared to many of its competitors. Heavily weathered Auto World GT40. This model is outside the competition, but I still wanted to show it to you and compare it with the standard Auto World version. Spark Ford GT40 in 1:87 scale. Here we have something completely different. Considering its much smaller scale, Spark's achievement is remarkable. The level of precision and fine detailing is exceptional, proving once again why Spark enjoys such a strong reputation among collectors. Majorette 1965 Ford GT40 MK1. Majorette's GT40 is simple, but surprisingly charming. While details are limited compared to premium brands, it captures the iconic shape reasonably well and remains an enjoyable piece, especially considering its age and accessibility. Mini GT. Although representing the modern Ford GT, rather than the original GT40, Mini GT delivers superb quality, crisp details, and excellent value for money. It serves as a reminder of just how far modern diecast engineering has evolved. Here you can see a side-by-side comparison between the Matchbox and Hot Wheels Premium. And here between the Johnny Lightning and the Hot Wheels Premium. One of the biggest surprises of this comparison is just how different these models are in size. Despite representing the same legendary car, some manufacturers interpreted its proportions very differently. Specifications and details are important, but sometimes the best way to appreciate these models is simply to enjoy them. So as I always do, I took some of the models for a ride through the city and countryside. Here are some of the photos I took. And now comes the difficult part. Which model deserves the crown? After comparing details, proportions, stance, and overall presentation, one model clearly separated itself from the competition. And the crown goes to Finclassically. It delivers the most complete package, combining stunning craftsmanship with one of the most accurate representations of the legendary Ford GT40. And there you have it, 12 brands, one legend, a surprisingly wide range of interpretations of one of the most iconic race cars ever built. Some models exceeded expectations, others struggled to keep up, but ultimately, one model stood above the rest. Which one would you choose for your collection? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this ultimate Ford GT40 comparison, and stay tuned for more diecast reviews and other modeling projects in the future.